Priest, one thing I realize is this: every time I hear confession, I celebrate Mass, sinasabi ko sa sarili ko, napakabait ng Diyos. Kasi binibigyan niya tayo ng pagkakataon bumalik sa Kanya. And this Mass, sinasabi natin, Lord, may mga pagkakasala ng kami, may mga kaloohan ng kami, pero gusto namin bumalik sa iyo. Gusto namin maranasan ulit yung pagmamahal mo sa amin. I don't want to sound cheesy, pero minsan para sa mga ibang estudyante, corny yung, uy, nagsisip ba? Pa-santo effect. Uy, nag-confess. Goody-goody effect. Uy, laging umamin ng Sunday Mass. One thing I realize is this: as we grow in age, our needs, our values, they definitely change. Good if those are good values. Sad if those values are not. The last line of the Gospel can be frightening. Sabi ni Jesus, watch, for you do not know the time. But it could be a positive note pag sinabing watch. Watch kasi excited ka maranasan yung pagbabalik ng Diyos. Kung hindi ka handa, matatakot ka talaga. Pero kung handa mo tanggapin yung pagmamahal at pagkakatawag ng Diyos, it's something you want to look forward. As a member of the batch, I'm going to go to my second point. Ito yung gusto kong sabihin. Talking to you over the past months that we had been playing our basketball games, natutuwa ako. Kasi basta may kinalaman sa something religious or prayers, uy, si Father yan. Pag magdadasal bago maglaro, uy, si Father yan. Yung automatic friend na. Ako natuwa ako to, not because pari ako. Pero alam mo yun, hindi naman lahat ng basketball nagdadasal eh, di ba? Kahit simpleng paraan, we still value the point called prayer. And on my part, personally, kung meron man kayong kailangan in terms of priestly or sacramental service, I am ready and willing. In fact, si Jerry Valdez, when he was here, he asked me to bless his house sa meeting. And then also, Rainier Mamamo, he asked me to bless his house sa Marikina. So, kung may bahay kayo, kung marami kayong bahay, okay lang sa akin, bless kayo. Kung meron kayong mga pabilitigan, okay lang yun. Kung yung korporasyon mo, papabless mo, okay din sa akin yun. Pero ayaw ko na mag-bless ang classmate na makaliga. Ayaw ko na mangyari yun. Sana lang mangyari yun. My dear batchmates, my dear friends, we are very fortunate enough to celebrate this Mass. We believe that the Mass is indeed a thanksgiving. And ako, napapasalamat ako dahil we are gathering here as brothers united in the Lord. We are grateful to Him for the many blessings we continue to receive individually and as one batch. May God bless all of you, and simple announcement lang. After this, meron tayo small gathering. Ilunan natin, pagkapansin dito sa side na to, may stairs, diba? And then yung corridor. The first room sa corridor, na tayo papasok. Okay? Please all stand.